Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change door speakers in a Silverado. Upgrading your vehicle's audio system can be a rewarding project, and replacing your door speakers is a fantastic way to start. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your tools to enjoying your new sound. This guide is designed to be straightforward, helping you achieve a clearer and more powerful audio experience in your truck. Let's get started on enhancing your ride's sound quality today. Before diving into the installation, proper preparation is key for a smooth process. You'll want to gather a few essential tools, such as a panel removal tool, a screwdriver set, and some wire strippers. Remember to always disconnect your vehicle's battery for safety. Having your new speakers and any necessary wiring adapters ready will also save you time and effort. Taking these preliminary steps ensures a successful and safe upgrade. Now let's get to the exciting part, removing those old speakers. Begin by carefully using your panel removal tool to pry off the door panel. Take your time to avoid any damage to the clips or the panel itself. Once the panel is off, you'll see the existing speaker. Disconnect its wiring harness and then unscrew the speaker from its mounting bracket. With these steps, your old speaker will be out and ready for replacement. With the old speakers out, it's time to install your brand new ones. Connect the new speaker to the vehicle's wiring harness, using an adapter if your new speakers require one. Securely mount the new speaker in the door's opening, ensuring it fits snugly. Once installed, carefully reattach the door panel, making sure all clips are properly seated. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and enjoy testing out your fantastic new audio system. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.